Sigurado iyon.
Dumaan po kasi yan sa sa DBM. Kasi DBM, approve ng DBM po yan. Na-release po ang pondo ni BTR. Mayroon po yung advice and pirmado po ng mga authorized signatories ng DepEd.
Okay. So, dumaan sa DBM hanggang makarating po sa inyo yung mga cheque, ganung halaga, in cash, ini-encash nga po, and then inilalabas sa branch nyo sa tigalawang bag. Pero nananatili yung impression nyo na unusual yung ganyang kahalaking halaga na 37.5 million pesos at in cash, hindi po in checks.
Unusual yung 37.5 po.
So nananatiling para sa inyo, unusual yung halagang 37.5 million pesos dahil halos times 4 nung usual na sinabi nyong 10 million pesos at most.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Salamat po, Madam Witness. Salamat po, Mr.
Thank you,
Presiding
Honorable
Officer.
Ontiveros. Senator Judge Marcos is recognized for interjection. Thereafter, Senator Judge Villanueva. Thereafter, the Senate President. And thereafter, Senator Judge Raffy Tulfo. You may proceed when you're ready, ma'am. You have 2 minutes.
Yes, just clarifying po, Ms. Camposano. You mentioned doon sa House Blue Ribbon, tinitignan ko nga yung transcript, at kanina, nabanggit ninyo na unusual for government agencies, including yung DepEd, na mag-withdraw ng malalaking halagang katulad nito. Pero doon sa Blue Ribbon, sinabi po ninyo na not only private clients but government clients go to your branch. So pinaliwanag po ninyo, tama po? Tapos, nag-testify rin kayo nung tinanong kayo ni Congresswoman Garin, is this a regular occurrence? Ang sabi po ninyo, yes, ma'am. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya unusual, regular occurrence. Alin po ba? Kasi later on, sinabi din ninyo, nabasa ko lang sa transcript, not DepEd only, but with all of our clients. Anong tinutukoy po ninyo doon? Kasi nakakalito kung unusual ba ito o regular, katulad na nabanggit ninyo sa House.
With all due respect, Your Honor. Your Honor, may I be recognized?
What is the pleasure of the Honorable Chua?
Your Honor, we would just like to request for the TSN so that our witness will be confronted with the TSN that is being mentioned by the Honorable Amy Marcos.
If she remembers, by the way, Senator Judge Marcos, it's the Senate, it's the House Good Government Committee,
Yes, it's
not the Blue Ribbon Committee.
This is the Good Government Committee of the House. I believe it was in November of 2024, similar to what was mentioned earlier with Ms. Constantino. In her case, I had the hard copy, page 122. On November 26 of 2024. I only have the soft copy of this one. I'm happy to show it. But yun nga, palagay ko November din to magkakasabay yung land bank nun
If the witness knows and recalls, she may answer.
Naalala po ba ninyo yung pagtanong ni Congresswoman Garin tungkol dito na is this a regular occurrence? At yung biglaan ninyong sagot, yes ma'am.
Kung yan po yung sinasabing normal, the
Opo.
usual lamang po ang pag-withdraw ng malalaking amount sa branch.
Yes, ang verbatim po, and is this a regular occurrence, ma'am? Ito ba ay pangkaraniwan na pangyayari, itong 37.5 o iyong malalaking amount na ine-encash? Ang sagot ni Ms. Camposano sa House Good Government, yes, ma'am. So, ang sabi ni Representative Garin, so pangkaraniwan pala ito. Ayun.
Yes, Your Honor.
Nais ninyong paliwanag po? Kasi iba ito kesa sa sinabi ninyo kanina.
Ang sinasabi ko po nung sa House ay ang malalaking withdrawal po ay usual lang. Hindi siya unusual sa branch. May both private and government. Nagwi-withdraw po siya. May mga malaki pong withdrawals.
So may malalaki talagang withdrawal na nagiging regular occurrence at paminsan-minsan, whether private or public, yan ang ginagawa sa branch po ninyo. Kaya nga lang, hihingi kayo ng cash allotment kasi hindi naman
Yes.
kayo nagtatago ng ganun
Yes, Your
kadami
Honor.
sa branch. Tama
Opo.
po. So
Opo.
regular po, not unusual. Tama po ba?
Not unusual siya sa Department of Education dahil during my time, yun lang po yung malaking withdrawal ni Department of Education.
Yes, okay. Pero nangyayari po. Maraming salamat, yun lang po.
Thank you, Senator Judge Marcos. Senator Judge Villanueva is recognized. You may proceed, sir. When you're ready, you have 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. President. Madam Witness, how long have you been the Land Bank DepEd branch manager?
Land Bank DepEd Manager, sir. Nahandun po ako ng May 2022 and hanggang September 2024. So mga 2 years, more or less. 24.
Tinanong ko po yan dahil ang kaibahan niyo po doon sa isang bank manager, kayo, yung land bank po ng DepEd ay nandun po mismo sa compound ng DepEd. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Kanina po binanggit yung unusual at ano yung usual. Ang sinasabi niyo po bang unusual lamang ay yung DepEd ang nag-withdraw ng cash na ganitong kalaki. Ngunit sa ibang departamento, nakakapag-withdraw sila ng malalaking salapi, kagaya po nung binanggit nyo kanina.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ito po kaya ay dahil ang DepEd nitong mga taon na binanggit ay nagkaroon ng confidential funds. Is that a correct statement?
Hindi ko po alam.
Hindi nyo po alam. Tama
Yes.
po, dahil hindi nyo naman inaalam kung saan po ito. No? Ang trabaho nyo lang po ay, nabanggit nyo nga ho kanina, ang DBM ang nagpo-provide ng funding at ang ahensya naman ang nag-authorize ng disbursement. Ang trabaho nyo lang po talaga ay to verify and pay the corresponding instrument.
Yes, sir.
At yun po yung inyong ginawa.
Opo.
At tingin nyo po walang pagkakamali kayong ginawa, lahat po ay legitimate, lahat po ay proper.
Yes, sir.
Comparing po doon sa previous administration, bago po nagkaroon ng confidential funds, wala pong ganitong kalaki na wini-withdraw ang Department of Education. Is that correct?
During my time, wala po.
Kaya po nabanggit nyo na unusual.
Yes.
Dito po sa payee naman no ng individual officer as payee, masasabi niyo po ba na usual practice for checks of this nature to be made payable to a designated special disbursing officer who would personally receive the cash? Nagbabago lamang po yung designated officer while the process remained generally the same.
Binabayaran po namin kung sino yung payee po ng cheque.
Which is a usual matter na nagpapalit.
Hindi ko po kung nagpapalit-palit sila. Basta't ang ano po namin is kung sino yung payee ng cheque, yun po ang babayaran namin.
Kaya nga po, at kung magpalit man ng pangalan, kung sino yung nakasulat.
Yes.
Last question, when there is a change in the Department of Education Administration or in its authorized officers, yung land bank po ba require updated authorization, specimen signatures, designated contacts and other verification bago nyo po i-process yung transaction?
Pagka po nagpalit ang mga authorized signatories po ng isang department, ng isang agency, humihingi po kami ng mga specimen signatures and letter na sila po ang mga authorized nating signatories.
At itong requirements nito na-comply bago nyo po ni-release yung salapi.
Yes.
Maraming salamat, Madam Witness.
Thank you, Senator Judge Villanueva. Our distinguished Senate President, Senator Gatchalian. You may proceed, sir. When you're ready, you have 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Magandang hapon, Ms. Camposano. Just some follow-up questions lang. Ano po yung mga transactions, typical transactions ng DepEd sa inyong branch?
Mga encashment po.
Anong
Usually
klaseng mga encashments?
Mga encashment po ng usually mga overtimes or whatever po ng mga tao.
So, mga payroll related.
Yes, sir.
Yung payroll related ba, cash ang ini-encash nila?
Yes, sir.